Hello, everybody. I've gotten a few emails about this problem, and it's a problem, but it's not a problem at the same time. So I wanted to make sure everybody was on the same page. This week's vocabulary, it says source evaluations videos. And it's about evaluating sources and dependable sources when it comes to videos on the internet. So it says follow the link to complete your vocabulary assignment, just like it does every week. Click that. And it asked me to, verify my Google address. And then I got this. This assignment is overdue. The assignment is overdue and you can no longer complete it. Please contact your teacher for more information. Oh, no. All right, so I don't know why this is popping up because the assignment is not due until Sunday. That's okay. We can fix this problem right here. All I got to do, if I get this, all I got to do is close that. Boom. And up here, it says assignments, okay? And there's source evaluations videos. I just click on that and boom, I have my assignment. It's due in 4 days. I still got plenty of time to do it. So if you get this box right here that's overdue, take a deep breath, close that box. All you got to do is close that box. And then when you get to the main page, I'll do it right here again so you can watch it. I close it and boom, right up here, there's assignments. I got one assignment, source evaluation videos. I click there and boom, there's my assignment right there. So if I get that pop-up saying this assignment's overdue, take a deep breath. You're going to be just fine, okay? If for some reason you still can't find this, where's the source evaluation videos, take another deep breath. Send me an email. I'll see what I can do for you, okay? But you shouldn't have any problems outside of that, okay? Hope that answers your question. Have a good day.